Okay, today we teach how to do the daily maintenance after we finish our daily printing job. How to do maintenance about the printer. So every day before we start our job, we should do a test. And if the test of a head status result is bad like that, then you need to do cleaning. And this is the cleaning. You can see the head is cleaning and you can see the ink comes out from the head. This is right. And the wiper is clean the head. You can see the head is spray some wet ink. Let's do the flash. Okay, the cleaning is done, and we are going to print a head status test again. And if the result comes out, the test of a head status result comes out like that. Except the yellow part is a little dirty. Other part is relatively perfect, but you can get it all perfect. If it looks like that, you can start your printing daily. And you better do a test of a head status result before you power off machine daily. Make sure each time you do the test result every day, it is good. Firstly, we move the carriage up. We're going to move this carriage up. Then we move the print head to the middle of the carriage. Okay, hold it there. Firstly, we find the clear solution, the cleaning solution which you may buy with the machine. And we add some cleaning solution to a bottle. No need too much, a little is okay. Okay, put it back. And you will find a sponge which no silk. Make sure it has no silk on it. We do not leave the silk on the head which will clog it, okay? And daily, after we finish our work, we need to clean here, okay? You find this one with some cleaning solution. And you wipe it carefully with a wiper. Okay, you will find it is very dirty. Clean everything here with cleaning solution. This paper is also okay. Especially the wiper, you need to do the cleaning daily. Okay, this is very important. And also, if you do not use a printer for many days, you find a syringe filled with a little, cleaning solution. You fill it here so that it will be wet and the head will not be clogged. And after daily you finish your work, you did a head status test. If the test result is good, Okay, you just do what we did just now. And if the test result is bad, you better use the cleaning solution to wipe the head, clean the aluminum part. See? And after that, you get the printer back, and you do a head status test again. And if the head status test is good like that, you can power off your machine. If the head status is not good, you will clean it till the test result is good. Then you can power off your machine. Okay? Thank you. Before you click the red button here, before you power off the machine here, you click home. You click home so that the printer will back to the capsation. So this one is the first step of power off. Click home first and close the software. Second step is close the software. Last step is press this button and the machine will power off. Okay, one thing we need to be very careful is that you make sure every day you use the red button to do power on and power off of the machine. Okay, use this one and do not use the other one. Do not use this general button to do power on and power off of the machine. Use the red one. Okay.